MICHEL ITC provides a fully integrated end-to-end development process managed by our expert project teams in Switzerland and Germany and delivered from our Shanghai office through our trusted global multi-factory network. Here is an example of an elegant, fully covered human-machine interface solution with every element precisely specified, sourced and integrated on your behalf. The complete customizable surface includes options like curved printed glass with anti-glare, anti-reflective or anti-fingerprint coatings, PMMA fronts, or high-performance membrane switches or printed foils selected and engineered to meet your exact interface and durability requirement. Next, our bonding technologies come into play, from liquid, optically clear adhesive to gel, tape, or frame bonding. Each method is chosen and qualified to ensure flawless optical clarity and mechanical reliability. Touch functionality is fully customizable, with or without integrated control systems, whether tactile or capacitive. We support everything from standard modules to bespoke sensing layouts. Displays are integrated using high-clarity bonding. From off-the-shelf components to fully custom panels, we manage sourcing, validation, assembly, and worldwide logistics with precision and accountability. Finally, a robust backplate or custom housing, customer validated from our 3D design schematics, completes the structure, bringing the entire build together with perfect fit, structural integrity, and sleek form. Every layer, every material, every bond, managed to your exacting tolerances for you by an international team with deep experience in engineering, sourcing, and assembly. From concept to final product, flawless integration, fully managed. You call it, we build it, you own it.